Welcome to our journey of transforming this neglected summer garden into a paradise. If you've ever looked at a sad, overgrown garden and felt overwhelmed, you're not alone. But fear not, because today we're going to show you how to turn that frown upside down and create a beautiful oasis right in your backyard. The first step is to gather your tools. You'll need gloves to protect your hands, shovels for digging, and pruning shears for trimming back those unruly branches. Don't worry if you're not an expert gardener. All you need is a little bit of elbow grease and a can-do attitude. Now it's time to roll up our sleeves and get to work. Start by clearing away any weeds and dead plants. This might seem like a daunting task, but trust me, once you see that fresh soil peeking through, you'll feel a sense of accomplishment like no other. With the weeds gone, it's time to bring in some new life. Choose a variety of flowers and shrubs that thrive in the summer months, like marigolds, petunias, and hydrangeas. Don't forget to add some mulch around the base of your plants to help retain moisture and keep those pesky weeds at bay. Just like us, plants need water to survive. Be sure to give your garden a good drink, especially during those hot summer days. But remember, too much water can be just as harmful as too little. So find that perfect balance and watch your garden flourish. Now that your plants are in place, it's time to add some personal touches. Whether it's a whimsical garden gnome or a colorful set of stepping stones, adding decorative elements can take your garden from ordinary to extraordinary. And there you have it, your neglected summer garden transformed into a paradise. Take a moment to sit back, relax, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Whether you're sipping lemonade on the patio or hosting a backyard barbecue, your beautiful garden is sure to be the envy of all your neighbors. So go ahead, grab your gardening gloves, and get started on your own summer oasis. With a little bit of time and effort, you too can turn your neglected garden into a slice of paradise. Happy gardening!